Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today in this video we are going to see how to fix Love Spouse app crashing or not working errors and freezing fix. Fix 1. Restart the Love Spouse app. First completely close the Love Spouse app and remove it from your recent app list. Now wait for about 10 to 15 seconds, then open the app again and check if it works normally. Fix 2. Check your internet connection. Make sure your phone is connected to Wi-Fi or mobile data. Now open a website or another app to test the connection. If the internet is slow, restart your router or switch networks. Then launch the Love Spouse app again. Fix 3. Clear app cache for Android. Open settings on your phone, then tap on apps, then go to Love Spouse app. From there, select storage and cache, then tap on clear cache and restart the app and check if the freezing issue is fixed. Fix 4. Grant required permissions. Open settings, then go to apps. In it, find Love Spouse app and tap on permissions. Now allow permissions such as Bluetooth, location, notifications, and nearby devices if required. Then reopen the app and try connecting again. Fix 5. Reinstall the app. Uninstall the Love Spouse app from your device, then restart your phone. Once your phone is restarted, download the latest version from the App Store. Then sign in again and reconnect your device. Thank you for watching, and for more such informative videos, do like, share, and subscribe to our channel.